Hi folks, here we have a Seals radio, probably from the 1980s. At first you might think it looks like a calculator, as that was common for calculators looked like this back then, but if you flip this open, we have a radio. A Seals radio. I have no idea if it works or anything, I just found it for a couple bucks. AM and FM, LED tuning, it has a built-in speaker, and on top, headphone jack, antenna, power switch, volume, and tuning. This is don't actually know how to read that date code, but either 82 maybe, or I don't know. I don't know who really OEM this. I don't know how to read that date code. However, I have looked at this in the past, and if you notice, there's a problem right here called corrosion. So we need to take care of that before we can use this baby. Man, these are cheap. Things. Or just Q-tips. But hopefully that ought to be enough to do the job. It doesn't look like it's got inside the unit. That's why I haven't opened it up, because I inspected it and it looks like it was only just right here. That's blue. I think we need another one. Fortunately, I have to open up with another bag. So, well, I have two more. I wish this camera did a better job, but hey, it's not about what I would have been using. Mainly the frame rate's all I have trouble with. However, this wasn't really designed to do this. I think it's doing pretty good for the money. Okay. Got that cleaned. Got the alcohol, because we gotta clean that off. So we don't want vinegar in this thing. Unfortunately, those Q-tips I have, they only come in a pack of 2 when you open up the paper, so they're really annoying. Okay. That takes care of that problem. Now I say it's time to put some batteries in this baby. Because if this thing works without batteries, I'm going to be getting very, very scared. Probably. Had to move that microphone closer. Get in there, you. I did put that in right, didn't I? Yeah. I hope this thing works, because these are Magnavox batteries. Okay. Hold on, Pete. Get in there, you. Yep, we're going in. I won't be able to play too much due to copyright reasons. However, I think it'll work fine. Move that up a little bit. We can see it better than anything. And there's the antenna. Pretty long. You can see that getting broke off. That's a good sign. This is not a really good performing radio because there should be a station that comes in clear and stuff. But gotta love dogs scratching on the door. Scratching and hitting the door with their foot. Yeah, seems to be working okay. Let's try AM. There used to be a radio station here that played music, but I don't think it's going to pick up with all this stuff around. And 1050. That's about all she wrote. Seals. Model 56424140050. I know those 3 digits mean the company who made it, however, I do not know that off the top of my head. I just know that I'll have to research that, but it was made in Japan, so I'm thinking either Toshiba or Sanyo, because those were the 2 big companies that made stuff for seals. And since it's being made in Japan, and I think that's one of them, but I guess I'll have to figure that out sometime. But anywho, it's in pretty good shape for its age. As you can see, for being something probably 40 years old, I think it works pretty good. And it did come with this case. And it doesn't sound too bad. It doesn't have any bass to it, but this is 1980s technology with a little speaker that has to fit in that instead of a case. That's pretty impressive. I didn't even know they made that, but what is more impressive is those credit card radios that I saw that TechMoon did a video about, like those Casios. Those are pretty cool until you lose your headphones. Come on, you. Get back in there. Go back home. Go back home. And there she is, all snug bug in a rug. The Seals portable AM/FM radio from the 1980s. Works. Not surprised. But it does. Most things from that time do just work. Especially radios. However, if you leave batteries in them, they don't. So always remove your batteries. Well, that's all, folks.